According to sources, Additional Home Secretary M. Pradeep has stated that the 5 arrested village volunteers who were arrested on 16th of this month from Kongba area were impersonating as police wearing uniform of Special Commando. While speaking to media persons at the police headquarters, he stated that sophisticated weapons looted from police were also recovered from the possession of the 5 arrested persons. He continued that there are complaints of armed miscreants posing as Special Commandos and moving in vehicles with stickers and tags of Special Commando, as continued that complaints of monetary demands have also increased during the ongoing crisis in the state. He further stated that Manipur State Police has been conducting search operations both in hill and valley districts, and that large cache of arms and ammunitions have also been recovered from Kolmun and Churchanpur on 11th of this month, he added. The seized weapons include one M4 assault rifle with magazine and 3 rounds, 9mm pistol, make Petro Beretta, 2 magazine and 7 rounds, 9mm pistol, country made, 2 magazine, 9mm carbine, machine gun, country made, 1 magazine, 2 single barrel rifle, 2 country made improvised mortar pump, 8 numbers of cartridge, 38 mm rubber bullets, 1 walkie-talkie Kenwood and 1 Chinese walkie-talkie Baofeng.